Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Trade Blazer. Welcome to yet another live learning session on options trading. I was little unwell guys, I could not trade yesterday. Having said that, what was the overall view that I have? So if I draw a fib retracement tool, from this swing low to this swing high, we can see that golden fib zone is coming somewhere here. Okay, this is a golden fib zone somewhere here, and then you can see there is an important liquidity area as well. So this swing low, so the price has moved just below this swing low over here and then tapped into the golden fib zone as well and collected liquidity. So, without any doubt, this would be an interesting area for the big guys to offload some of their, short positions, right? Because of which this move might have happened. Okay, so now we need further confirmation if price is going to start trading above these levels. Okay, so that we can temporarily be bullish and take, the long side trades. Okay, and what are the levels that I have drawn for today's intraday trading? So these are some of the important liquidity areas or the levels that I have drawn for today's intraday trading. Now, what are the setups and what is the view for today's intraday trading, right? So if I switch back to lower time frame, the first setup I wanted to trade for today is that, let's say if I draw fib retracement tool from here to this swing high, you can see that golden fib zone is coming somewhere here. Let's say for example if I try to mark this, so this is a golden fib zone. Okay, and if I remove this, you can see that this is an important area where price has taken support multiple times, and towards the end of the day as well, you can see that price has tapped into this golden fib zone and then started trading above this. Okay, that was one bullish confirmation as well, so that based on which I can be bullish today as well. Okay, and the opening, today's opening would be very key for our trading as well. Okay, what are the couple of setups that I want to trade for today is that, let's say for example, price opens flat somewhere here and then breaks below this equal lows and then taps into this golden fib zone and reverses immediately, showing the strong rejection, then I would go long somewhere here. That would be my first setup. So what is the second setup that I wanted to trade, right? So let's say for example, you can observe that Bank Nifty has traded in between this range towards the end of the day, right? So let's say for example, if I mark this range over here, okay, so this is the range Bank Nifty has traded towards the end of the day. Okay, now today let's say Bank Nifty opens little bit of a gap up to flat opening, then if it starts sustaining above at least the 50% of this range or the consolidation, then I will uh, go for a long trade. That would be my second setup I wanted to trade for today. Okay, now price opens here, and then let me explain in the daily time frame as well. Okay, so it's very important to read the price in daily time frame, guys. So price opened here, made a low, okay, and then starts moving away, right? So this time I wanted price to trade above the opening price and then I will be bullish. That is my view based on the opening. Okay, now if I switch back to the 5 minutes time frame, you can see that price opened with a little bit of a gap up and fills the gap and then shows bullishness from there and then starts trading above this opening price. Okay, now I could not take entry somewhere here because this candle is very strong, right? So then I was waiting for a pullback, and then once the price starts trading below this opening price and starts moving above from there, so this is where I was waiting for the entry. Okay, now I can see that there is a rejection here, and then there is an indication candle, and then there is a confirmation candle, based on which I made my entry somewhere here and exited somewhere here on top. So this was my trade for today. With that, I made a profit of around 4,500 in one account and then 3,000 and overall 7,500 of profit for today with close to 40 points of premium collected. Okay, with that, let's dive into our live trading session and see how I managed the trades and what was the psychology, and try to learn something from there. See you there. Thank you. Hello everyone, welcome back again. So my voice will not be that good, guys. So I was little unwell for the past couple of days and today as well. So please adjust with that. Okay. You can see that the price has, shown a little bit of a bullishness, and yeah, it started trading above the day's high now, and where I wanted to wait for a pullback and gives us a confirmation towards the long side so that I can initiate a trade here. We'll let you know if I take any trade. Thank you. So price has shown bullishness and started trading above the opening price and today's high as well. And then we were waiting for a pullback, guys. So it gave the pullback and then it is firmly sustaining above the opening price. That's where I have bought 150 quantity of 51,100 call here, and we'll see how this trade goes on from here. Thank you. Price has almost reached day's high, guys, that I have marked here. So where I wanted to plan for my exit, right? And you can also see that price is moving, the premium is moving quite choppy, right? It was not a swift fast move as such to hold on to this trade, right? So this is where I wanted to plan the exit properly, right? So I have exited all 150 quantity here, guys. So it's always good to book the profit on a day like this, guys, where the premium is moving choppy to upside, something like that. Okay, so with that, I made a profit in the other account as well, close to 40 points there as well, so 3000 change with less quantity there. And in done, I made a profit close to 4500, overall 7500 of profit today, and collected some premium of close to 40 points together. Hope you have learned something from today's session, and see you in the next live learning session. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Please try to subscribe, like, and share the right knowledge across, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.